Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with something very special. I have created two Moulin Rouge Parisian-inspired kits, and everything that you see that I'm about to show you will come in the kit, including this absolutely gorgeous box. The box is, let me see here, 8.5 by almost 6. And it's really pretty. It has all of these beautiful landmarks of Paris. The side of the box says Paris. I'm sorry it's so dark in here, but it gets dark here very early. And there's the back. Really a nice, beautiful box. It looks like a book. And it's magnetized. It closes on a magnet. So you get the box and everything that's in the box. So let me open it and show you. Ta-da! Lots of goodies in here. Let me just check this here on my computer. Okay, there we go. So everything in here comes in the kit, including a little Paris stamp. I don't know if it's better with the light on or the light off. Let's try that. Little Paris stamp right there. 2 vintage doilies here in a, I want to say an off-white color. Same with this. You get one of these cool doilies with all the circles on it. And then in the kit, you get all of these goodies, including this bag of yumminess. And inside here is all kinds of beads and bead spacers. Lots of great stuff to make stick pins or add beads to your projects. There's a couple of hearts in there, 2 of these hearts. I don't know if that's better there or better there. There we go. There's 5 of these sparkly flatbacks in the kit. There's some bohemian type wooden red beads. There's red pearls, big different sizes. There's red sort of faceted ones. And also in each kit, and I don't have 2 the same, so in this kit there's a little embellishment. It's a wooden embellishment, and these are from, I think, Scotty Porkchop, who's on eBay. And it's a little wooden Moulin Rouge. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. Let's try it with the light off and see if that's any better. Oh, not really. So that might be a bit better. So you get the wooden embellishment, you get all these beautiful goodies. Yeah, I think it is a little better. There is some buttons in here, there's bead caps, and you also get this really pretty crown. So there's a lot of embellishments to go to do things with. There's a little crown there. Buttons, beads, bead caps. There's the crown. There's a couple of vintage buttons there. There's these bead caps here. There's these ones. As you can see, there's lots of goodies. I think I dropped one there, but I'll get it. So just put those aside for a minute and show you the rest of the goodies. But you get quite a bit of embellishments there, so that's good. You also get a yard of this beautiful gold and cream colored crochet cotton. And it has like a gold metallic thread running through it. It's super sparkly. Really a lovely, lovely trim. This is a twisted trim that I had been working on. I've got 2 of these, so I just threw it in. It is sewn on my sewing machine, and it's twisted sari and some of this gold crochet cotton. So you can sew that onto another trim or use it or make a bow out of it, anything you like. So there's a good length of that. There is some velvet ribbon. Beautiful, beautiful velvet ribbon. That's a yard nearly, I think. Everything's pretty much a yard unless I state otherwise. This is a very old vintage trim here, and that was from England actually. This one. It's really pretty. There's a yard of that. I did put some white in here, but you'll see as we go along, mostly it's blacks and some gold. You get 2 of these beautiful big appliques, and you can dye these with your sprays if you like. You get 2 of the white rosette flowers. You get a length of this dangle trim. There's 3 big pieces here you can use. It's really pretty, dimensional. And you could put some of these embellishments in the center of the flower there, like the heart, or even one of the buttons would look really pretty. So there's that. And then now there is a piece of this, and I will tell you exactly how long that is. Let me see my ruler here. Okay, ruler goes that way. So this is 18, it's about 20 inches. Yeah, it's just 22 inches, I would say. Really pretty trim in a gold color. There's a yard of this ribbon in the black and the gold. Really pretty organza ribbon. There's about a yard, it's probably over a yard actually, of this lace. Beautiful black lace, very dimensional. I love this trim. There is about a yard of this gorgeous lace, black and embroidered on white. Really pretty trim. There's about half a yard, just over half a yard of this beautiful trim. And there is about, let's see, about a yard of this lovely little delicate insertion lace. You get, now we're getting into the fabrics, you get a nice big piece of this gorgeous beaded fabric. It's black and it has the nice edge on it, and it's sequin trim. It's got a nice edge on it. This one's got 2 edges on it, so really pretty trim. It's very sparkly. I love that. There is a nice big square of this beautiful embroidered lace. Super, super pretty. And again, you can dye this. And then I've included some of my favorite fabrics, including this piece. And these fabrics are all 9 by 11, so you could make a cover of a book with these quite easily. This is a map of Paris. Really awesome, awesome fabric. I love it. In black and cream. And there's the Eiffel Tower, as you can see, but it's all the streets and everything in Paris. This is a beautiful red and cream ticking. It's not linen. It is a cotton, but it's a very heavy cotton. Really beautiful, very Parisian red and white ticking. And then, of course, a beautiful piece of red toile. Absolutely gorgeous fabric. And finally, I threw in a piece of my red sari. And again, they're all 9 by 11. So that is the kit. Everything you see, including the fabrics, the box, all the embellishments and everything, is $35 plus shipping. If you are interested, I only have 2. Otherwise, I'll be putting these in my shop. So let me know. If they sell before I get them in there, that's awesome. But if not, then they will be in my Zibbet. And the link to that is in the description box below. But if you want it, let me know on this video. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please reply with your PayPal. And let me know if you would like this kit. I will be back soon with another video. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.